Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh and very good day. This is the second part of the video that demonstrate how to use Google DOCS or Google Docs in your mini project. I already shared with you the first part of the Google Docs regarding how to show the location of DOCX in your Gmail, how to rename your file, how to insert the break or the page break into your uh, word processor, how to view or activate your show ruler, document outline and others optional, how to cite or not cite, how to choose the heading 1 and heading 2, and by doing this you'll be able to do the table of content. Also in the first video I demonstrate how to do the list of numbers for your chapters in your report. By doing the tab button, you will be able to differentiate among the numbers, for example 1, 1.2, 1.3 and so on. And then I also share with you how to insert your drawing in your Google Docs and how to do the Google Docs and the spreadsheet synchronous together. Okay, we go back to the DOCX. In this second video, I would like to show you how you want to do the citation, and this citation is a bit different because we didn't use the reference manager outside of the Google Docs, so we use the reference manager that available in the Google Docs. Okay, and then we need to do the sharing with the team members, and I request also when you do your mini project activities, you need to share your file with me. So by doing that, I managed to monitor your work for the every single activity that you have done. I can monitor and I will know which team members is contribute more or which of the team members contribute less to the mini project. Okay, let's begin that. For example, I have managed to plot down the file, which is that we can see here we have the activity that consists of front cover, table of contents, and the all the chapters, all the main chapters and the sub chapters. Okay, now I want to proceed how you want to share your file with other team members. Okay, for example, I have one member to share. I need to share this one. Just put your email address team member here and click done. Okay, since I already have the shared email address here that consists of two persons, Sakinah Shafi'i and Pak Yam. Okay, I already do that. So you just put your email address of your members here and then click done. Okay. Also, I can monitor the version history. In the file tab, you click for vision history and see vision history here, and then it will appear in the version history mode. So what happened is, in the version history mode, if you notice, for example, on 13th of May, okay, Sakina Shafi'i did some work here, and Muhammad Shafi'i Bakar basically is the also is a Pak-Iyam, okay, Pak-Iyam. And if you can see that this is work by Sakina, okay, based on the colors, right? So also in the version history mode, you cannot write anything, okay, you cannot write anything, just to view the version history. So if you have your file ready to do your work with your team members, so I would like you to share my email address here. You just type Shafi'i and then you will find out Muhammad Shafi'i bin Bakar, Shafi'i at liasump.edu.my, and then click send. Okay, click send. So it will trigger to my email address, and I will accept and do some dummy wording that will show you the viability of my work here. Okay, since our deadline is on the 31st of July 2020 before 12 p.m. So those team members or the members that do not contribute or contribute after the 31st of July, I will not consider their marks. Okay, so this is partly how we monitor your work online. Okay, now I want to do the second part of this video by doing the citation. Okay, citation of the format. For example, I go to the literature review. In word processor for Google Docs, you cannot generate the random generator that we have discussed in the Microsoft Word. For example, this is the random generator text that I shared with you during the topic of the word formatting. If you enter, there is nothing happen. Okay, so you cannot do a random generator command in the Google Docs. Okay, so for example, I want to have the citation here. So what we need to do is by click at the tools tab and then explore. Okay, for example, you do searching. I want to have the topic of fishing. Okay, FISHING, fishing. Yes, fishing kayak. Okay, and then select citation format. In Google Docs, there are only 3 options that you can select the format. If you recall back on our research manager for Mendeley, this called style in the reference manager. But in the Google Docs, they only provide you the style of the formatting references, only available for 3 options. Begin with MLA, APA, and Chicago. Okay, and then you choose. For example, I choose APA, and then we go to cite as footnote. Okay, cite as footnote. There. there is a small icon here appear, and the reference regarding of that particular website or that particular research is appear at the bottom of that particular pages. Okay, so for example, I think better we put some dummy word here. Okay, let's say I put another citation, fishing kayak accessory. Again, we have the, for example, I want to select APA style, and then we can find every single reference that you want to choose have the icon apostrophe here. Okay, then if you click here, you will become number 2. It is based on the sequential numbering. Okay, so then the footnote at that particular pages is appear at the bottom of that page. Okay, okay. I think this is only the end of second video about Google Docs, and I hope you can play around with the Google Docs. So I want to recall back. So in this second part of the video, I demonstrate to you how to use the shared facilities by adding your email address of your team member, so you can have opportunity to contribute your work online. Okay, online. A file tab, a shared, and then also you can monitor each other by the features of the file tab, and then view and then see version history. Okay, so if you have 4 team members, you should add your team members and it will appear version history here. Make sure that you write something, or you done something paragraph or something write something that you need to write in your Google Docs, then it will appear your name here. Okay, so during the version history mode, you cannot type anything. And the second part of that I mentioned to you regarding the where is it, regarding the, yes, how to do the citation format in Google Docs. Okay, just by using the tools tab and then explore, and then you can type the material that you want to cite here at the explore at the search column here. Okay, okay, thank you very much, and good luck. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.